Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is symbolic logic invented by George Boole in 1854 to solve logical problems. Each variable in Boolean algebra has either of two values, true or false. So there are only two variables in Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra had no practical application until 1938 when Shannon used it to analyze telephone switching circuits. Today, Boolean algebra is the backbone of computer circuit analysis and design. First, we see inversion or and sign. Inversion means NOT gate. In Boolean algebra, we use some sign for NOT gate, OR gate, and AND gate. This is the NOT gate symbol which produces inversion. If input is 0, then output is 1. If input is 1, then output is 0. So output Y is not equal to input A. So it is called a NOT gate. We write this output of this NOT gate as Y equal to NOT A. In Boolean algebra, over bar stands for the NOT operation. That is, output of a NOT gate in Boolean algebra is written as Y equal to A bar. Here A bar is complement of A. 0 bar equal to 1 and 1 bar equal to 0. Bar means its complement. Complement of 0 is 1 and complement of 1 is 0. Also A bar equal to A. If there is twice bar, it will be the same. For OR operation, output for OR gate of this figure, this is the symbol of OR gate. Its output is Y equal to A or B. This OR operation means output is 1 when both A and B are, when A or B or both are 1. In OR gate, output is high when either A is high or B is high or both A and B are high. This is the OR operation, and output of this OR gate Y we write as Y equal to A or B. In Boolean algebra, for OR operation, plus sign is used. So in Boolean algebra, we write output of OR gate as Y equal to A plus B. Y equal to A plus B means Y equal to A or B. It represents OR operation. Here 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 equal to 1. In left hand side, these are the values of two inputs A and B. If both inputs are 0, then output is 0. If any one input is 1 and other is 0, then also output is 1. And if both A and B, both inputs are 1, output is 1. This is OR operation. Also, a plus 0 equal to a. A may be either 0 or 1, whatever it may be. A plus 0 is always equal to a. A plus 1 equal to 1 and a plus a bar equal to 1. If a is 1, a bar is 0 and a plus 0 equal 1 plus 0 equal to 1. If a is 0, then a bar is 1, then 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So a plus a bar is equal to 1. We must remember all these results. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1. These are from truth table of OR gate, and we must remember these relations. A plus 0 equal to a plus 1 equal to 1 and a plus a bar equal to 1. Now next gate is AND gate, and output of this is the symbol of AND gate, and its output y is written as y equal to a and b. Y equal to a and b, and a and d is in capital letters. This represent AND operation. In Boolean algebra, this AND operation is represented by dot sign, and output of this AND gate is written as y equal to a dot b. Here 0 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 equal to 0, 1 dot 0 equal to 0 and 1 dot 1 equal to 1. Output is high 1 only when all the inputs are 1. If any 1 or 2 inputs are 0, then output is 0. These are the results from the truth table of AND gate. Also, we can write a dot 0 equal to a, whatever a may be. A may be 1 or 0, but a dot 0 is always 0. A dot 1 is equal to a, and a dot a bar is equal to 0. Decision making elements. The inverter, that is NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. These three gates are often called decision making elements because they can recognize some input words while disregarding others. A gate which recognizes some word, it means its output is high. When output of some gate is high, then it recognizes the word of its input. A gate recognizes a word when its output is high. It disregards a word when its output is low. For example, the AND gate recognizes only the word whose bits are all ones. When all bits, input bits are all ones, then output of AND gate is 1. So, an AND gate recognizes word when all input bits are all ones. Then only its output is 1, and we say that it recognizes that word. And it disregards all words with 1 or more zeros. If 1 or more inputs are 0, then output is 0, and we say that it disregards all these words having 1 or more 0. Notation. these are this we write y3, y2, y1, y0. If we write y3, y2, y1, y0 in italic letters, slanted letters, such as this y3, y2, y1, y0, then a dot is implied. It means it represent AND operation between these bits, ANDed bits, 1.0.0.1. If y0 is 1, y1 is 0, y2 is 0 and y3 is 1, then if y3, y2, y1, y0 is written in italic slanted letters, then it represent AND operation. Dot is between all the bits. And if we write y3, y2, y1, y0 by this is Roman upright letters. This is for bits that form a word. If in Roman or upright letters are used, y3, y2, y1, y0, and we put the values of y3, y2, y1 and y0, it is written as 1001, then it represent a word. Here there is not AND operation. So for AND operation, we can write y3, y2, y1, y0 in italic or slanted letter, or put dot between them. And for a word, we write in Roman or upright letters such as this y3, y2, y1, y0. Then there is no dot between two bits and we write 1001. This represents a word. Positive and negative logic. We generally use high voltage, that is plus 5 volt, and low voltage as 0 volt or ground, and generally we write high voltage as variable 1 and low voltage as variable 0. This is called positive logic, and if we make its opposite, then it will represent a negative logic. Next question is write Boolean equation for following figure. Find the output when both inputs are high. This is the logic gate, and this is the second logic gate. What is the output of this logic circuit? There are two inputs, A and B. Input A is input for a NOT gate, and output from this NOT gate is A bar. Now there are two inputs for this next OR gate. One is A bar and second input is B. Then output Y of this logic circuit will be A bar plus B. Y equal to A bar plus B. If both inputs are high, if A is 1 and B is 1, then Y, which is equal to A bar plus B, equal to 1 bar plus 1, and 1 bar is 0, then it is 0 plus 1, that is 1. So if both inputs are high, output of this logic circuit will give high, that is 1. What is the output of this second logic circuit? Here there are two gates. First one is AND gate and second is NOT gate. Output, there are two inputs A and B, and output of first AND gate will give A dot B. Then this is the input for this NOT gate. So output from this NOT gate Y will be equal to A dot B bar. So output of this second circuit will be Y equal to A dot B bar. When both inputs are high, A is 1, B is 1, then it will be equal to 1.1 bar. 1.1 is 1, then it is 1 bar and it is equal to 0. So for second circuit, when both inputs are high, output will be low, that is 0. Next question is write Boolean equation and truth table for following figure. Which input word does the circuit recognize? Boolean equation for this figure. There are four inputs A, B and CD. A, B are two inputs for upper AND gate and CD are two inputs for lower AND gate. Output from these two AND gates will be A dot B and C dot D respectively. A dot B is output of upper AND gate and C dot D is output of lower AND gate. Now output of these two AND gates are input up to the next OR gate. So this OR gate will produce output Y, which will be equal to AB plus CD. We can write A dot B as AB and C dot D as CD. So output of this logic circuit, Y equal to AB plus CD. Y equal to AB plus CD is output. We can make truth table for this circuit. We have four variables A, B, C, D, and for four variables these are 16 possible words. First one is 0, 0, 0, 0, and we increase by adding 1 to upper number and reach finally at last to the word 1, 1, 1, 1. From this equation Y equal to AB plus CD, if we put the values of A, B, C and D for these all possible combinations, then in truth table output Y is shown. The combination for which output Y is 1, this logic circuit recognizes that input word. For example, first we see output Y is 1 for A0, B0, C1, D1. That means that it recognizes the input word 0, 0, 1, 1 for which output is 1. Next output is 1 when A is 0, B is 1, C is 1, D is 1. So it recognizes this word also 0, 1, 1, 1. And similarly in this truth table we see other words for which output is 1, and this circuit recognize all these words for which output is 1. So this circuit recognize the input words which are 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1, 1. Next question is, what is the Boolean equation for each y? What is the Boolean equation for each y output in following figure? What does this circuit do? In this circuit, there is a 4-bit register which produces 4 bits that are A, B, C, and D. And there are 4 inverters. Inverter means NOT gates. There are 4 NOT gates. First NOT gate invert A and produces A bar. Second NOT gate make invert of bit B and it produces B bar. Third inverter or third NOT gate produces C bar, and fourth NOT gate produces D bar. Now we have 8 lines, 4 lines for A, B, C, D, and 4 lines for A bar, B bar, C bar, and D bar. And these 4 lines are connected to these AND gates. For uppermost AND gate, output is Y0, and the lines connected to its input are A bar, B bar, C bar, and D bar. So its output Y0 will be equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Dot is implied between each bits. A bar dot B bar dot C bar dot D bar. We can write it as A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Similarly, we can find outputs of other AND gates Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, and these are given as Y1 will be equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, D, Y2 equal to A bar, B bar, C, D bar, and so on up to Y9. These are 10 AND gates, and we have 10 outputs from Y0 to Y9, and these 10 outputs are given by these relations. Now if input word is 0, A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, D is 0, what will be these outputs? If all A, B, C and D are 0, then output Y0 will equal to 1. 0 bar dot 0 bar dot 0 bar dot 0 bar, 1 dot 1 dot 1 dot 1. Output of AND gate is 1 when all inputs are 1. So if A, B, C, D all are 0, then output Y0 is equal to 1, and all other outputs are 0. Similarly, when input bits are 0, 0, 0, 1, which represents decimal number 1, binary number is 0, 0, 0, 1, A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, and D is 1. Then we see from these outputs which output is high. Then high output will be Y1, because D is 1 and A, B, C are 0, so their bar are equal to 1. So in this case y1 is 1. Similarly, if we have input words that is equivalent to 2, decimal number 2, and its equivalent binary number is 0010. When input word is 0010, it is equivalent to decimal number 2. So we see here that output y2 is high. So one output will be high, that corresponds to the decimal number equivalent to this input word A, B, C, D. This circuit is a binary to decimal decoder. Its output is high, which corresponds to input word that is equivalent to its decimal number. If input word corresponds to decimal number 8, y8 will be high and other all outputs are 0. If input word corresponds to decimal number 7, then y7 is high. Such circuit is known as binary to decimal decoder. We can find a decimal number corresponding to a binary number from this circuit. This is also called 4-line to 10-line decoder or 1 of 10 decoder, because 1 of 10 output lines has a high voltage. Now there are 3 basic logic gates, that are NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. Now we come to the next logic gate, that is NOR gate. The NOR gate has 2 or more input signals but only one output signal. All inputs must be low to get a high output. In other words, the NOR gate recognizes only the input words whose bits are all zeros. If all input bits are 0, output of NOR gate will be 1. It recognizes that input word for which all input bits are 0. This is the circuit for NOR gate. It contains an OR gate followed by a NOT gate. First OR gate will produce output A plus B, and it is the input for the NOT gate. So output from this NOT gate Y will be equal to A plus B bar. This circuit, which contains one OR gate followed by a NOT gate, we write this circuit as this circuit, which is a symbol of OR gate, and a bubble is formed which represent a NOT gate. So this is the symbol for NOR gate. NOR gate means OR gate followed by NOT gate, and its output Y is Y equal to A plus B bar. And this is the truth table for output y equal to a plus b bar. For two inputs a and b, these are four possible combinations, and output a plus b bar is given. So output is high when both the inputs are low. So NOR gate recognize those input words for all input bits are low. This is the symbol for 3 input NOR gate. This is the symbol for 4 input NOR gates. This is the truth table for 3 input NOR gate, and its output y is a plus b plus c ka bar. Similarly, we have NAND gate. In the NAND gate, we have AND gate followed by NOT gate, and this is represented by this diagram. A NAND gate and a bubble is formed to represent a NOT gate. So its output y is a dot b bar. Output of this AND gate is a dot b because it is AND gate, and this is the input for the NOT gate. So output of NOT gate y is equal to a dot b bar. So this is the symbol for NAND gate. NAND gate is AND gate followed by a NOT gate. This is the truth table for output y equal to a dot b bar. We write ab in place of a dot b. AB means a dot b, it is understood. So this circuit recognize a word. It means output is high for this circuit when either one or more inputs are 0. When both inputs are 1, its output is 0. The Boolean equation for a 2-input NOR gate is, this is not NOR gate, it is NAND gate. For NAND gate, Boolean equation is y equal to AB bar. AB is for AND gate and bar is for NOT gate. So it is NAND gate output, which is represented by y equal to AB bar. This circuit shows 3-input NAND gate, and this circuit shows 4-input NAND gates. Next topic is De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan had paved the way for Boolean algebra by discovering two important theorems. There are two theorems, two De Morgan's theorem. First De Morgan's theorem is a plus b bar equal to a bar dot b bar. And second De Morgan's equation is a dot b bar equal to a bar plus b bar. So these are two De Morgan's theorem. First is a plus b bar equal to a bar dot b bar. We write bar on each input a and b and change plus sign by dot sign. Similarly, in this second theorem, which is a dot b bar equal to a bar plus b bar, here also we put bar on each inputs a and b and change dot by plus. Let us see first De Morgan's theorem. A plus B bar equal to A bar dot B bar. This is the circuit for A plus B bar. Here it is NOR gate, OR gate followed by NOT gate, and its output Y is A plus B bar, which is left hand side of De Morgan's first theorem. And this is the truth table for left hand side, which is A plus B bar. Similarly, right hand side is A bar dot B bar, and logic circuit for this right hand side equation is this. A and B are two inputs which are connected to NOT gates, and output of these two NOT gates will be A bar and B bar. These two outputs are input of AND gate, so output of this AND gate will produce Y equal to A bar dot B bar, which is right hand side of this De Morgan's first theorem. This circuit can be shown by this simple circuit in which NOT gates are replaced by a bubble. This bubble means A will convert to A bar and B will convert to B bar, and then this AND gate will make Y equal to A bar dot B bar. This is the truth table for Y equal to A bar dot B bar. For A bar dot B bar, we only write A bar B bar. Dot is implied in between these. We see that both truth tables are same. So truth table for the first logic circuit, which produces A plus B bar, is same as the truth table of this second logic circuit, which produces A bar dot B bar. So it proves De Morgan's first theorem. Similarly, if we have three inputs, then from De Morgan's first theorem, A plus B plus C bar will be equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar. Now De Morgan's second theorem is A dot B bar equal to A bar plus B bar. We make logic circuits for both sides. This is the logic circuit for left hand side, Y equal to A dot B bar. It is AND gate followed by a NOT gate, so it is a NAND gate, and its output is A dot B bar. This is the truth table for this Y output A dot B bar, AB bar. Similarly, its right hand side is A bar plus B bar, and for this right hand side the logic circuit is this. A and B are two inputs connected to NOT gates. Output of these two NOT gates will be A bar and B bar respectively. These are the input of OR gate, and output of this OR gate Y will be equal to A bar plus B bar, which is right hand side of this De Morgan's second theorem. And these are the truth tables for left hand side, which is Y equal to A bar dot B bar, A dot B bar, and this is the truth table for right hand side, in which output is A bar plus B bar. And we see that the two truth tables are same. So left hand side is same as right hand side. A dot B bar equal to A bar plus B bar, which proves De Morgan's second theorem.